going, everybody? Well, hay 21 has begun. It's been very busy, to say the least. So today's Tuesday. Yesterday was Memorial Day. Saturday we cut down just about all of our hay. We started with 2 mowers, my new one, and well, that one lasted about 35 acres, and then one of the seals went out, and well, yeah, so I gotta get that fixed. There's a guy walking across the road. Alright, back at you here. So yeah, the new mower lasted about 35 acres, and then the seal went out. And let's just say that gearbox got a little hot. So hopefully it's not, we didn't wreck anything else. And it's just the seal. I think there might be a couple seals on the whole machine to replace. If I get a chance, I was going to look at the parts breakdown online and see if I could do it. I'm thinking I'm just going to take it in and have somebody else do it. But so we knocked down every acre of hay that we have. We rented an additional like 40 acres this year from one of my dad's cousins. He quit milking cows and had some nice alfalfa that, wow, he had just put in like the year before. So yeah, we're like, yeah, we'll rent it from you. So we did that, and hopefully it works out. Maybe we can do some more in the future. But so yeah, we started with 2 mowers, and then I ended up taking Dad's mower. So I cut for about 12 hours that day, and then Dad cut what I'm tedding now Sunday. I tedded all day Sunday. He cut this, and then yeah, and then rolling into Monday, we had 20 acres of wheat. It was alfalfa. We planted it into wheat, and the wheat came back with vengeance. And well, it looked like a wheat field, but we cut that and we wrapped it. We baled it up yesterday, and we wrapped it. I baled 15 acres for a customer and wrapped that, and we baled another 20, and I wrapped that this morning early. I've been running like mad. We got a lot to do. I got 12 acres or so to bale and wrap yet today, after I get done with this. And then I think tomorrow we're going to try and do the good majority of our hay. It should be pretty well ready to bale. So anyways, I apologize for the lack of updates, but I've been starting. Yesterday was about 5:15. I got out of bed, and today was about 5:30. So I didn't work until almost dark. Put in like 16 hours yesterday, I think. So, but we're getting there. We're getting her done. How's it going, folks? So we're getting some footage of some baling today. It's been a long week, let me tell you that. I've been doing, well, for a couple days I did 15-hour days, and slowed down a little bit lately, but I don't know. Hopefully by the end of the day I'll have one baling job left in the schedule. That'll be tomorrow, and then as far as I know we might be done with first crop, but I'm sure there'll be some more. But so I swung in here. My brother's been working on this piece, and you can see the farmers are picking up already. These guys got their crap together. So he's running the 210 and the older 330. I got the bigger one because I'm the boss. As far as I have never had this much luck as far as moisture goes. So actually on, well, on my baler actually, the Harvest Tech computer module, there was something wrong with it, and we had to send that off to get it worked on. Basically they plug it in, I'm thinking they plug it into their computer, or they put some sort of chip in it to try and reprogram it or something. But I've been really lucky that we really haven't needed acid or preservative. And I got to get off, we got to measure the bale. And my little tape measure. So about 7 foot, that's what we're looking for. He said he had like 130 something already. This is one of my bigger customers here. Oh, I'm not getting any younger. All right. Get it up here to about 1,000. I always run at 1,000, a little bit faster. You'd boogie right through. But yeah, it's been a good day. This last week or so, it's been really dry. Yeah, even the air is dry. And so there's no dew in the morning. And I was baling by 9 o'clock this morning. So this is number 4. My brother started here about noon. I started at 9, and then I did my grandpa's. And one of my friends from high school, and it's all kind of in the same area, so that worked out. I could swing in here quick and we'll get him done. I'm sure he's ready to go home. And then I got one more small job for one of my dad's cousins. So I'll do a few more rolls and then I'll probably take off and go do that right away. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this little bit of baling fun. I don't get a lot of action with the balers because I'm usually concerned about what's happening and what's probably going to break when I start talking. But feeling pretty good about now, so I should just shut my mouth. But anyways, little while longer and we'll be caught up with first crop. I just got a little job tomorrow, 20 acres tomorrow, and yeah, we got all of ours done, and after tomorrow, I'll have all the customers caught up, and I think there's a chance of rain on Tuesday, so if that's the case, I might have a day or so off. But we got a lot of fixing to do on stuff, and then we'll be ready to get back into it. So we'll see ya.